Corn. How corn transforms into our beloved corn flakes. A breakfast staple worldwide. Corn, the heart of corn flakes, boasts an annual production over 1 billion tons. The US, China, and Brazil lead the charge. Corn's production is vital for global food supply, animal feed, biofuel sources, and essential industrial materials, fueling economies across the globe. Freshly harvested corn enters a hopper, traveling via an efficient transfer system onto an integrated conveyor belt, designed for high-volume transport. As the corn cobs journey along the belt, advanced lasers actively scan their surfaces, checking for defects, contaminants, and color variations, leveraging the data from laser analysis. Cobs not meeting quality standards are automatically removed from the belt, preventing subpar products from further processing. Quality-approved corn cobs undergo meticulous manual selection. Then, they are neatly arranged on another conveyor, enhancing precision in the cutting process. In this integrated operation, both ends of the corn cobs are laser marked. Then, they are transported into an enclosed rotary cutter for dual-end cutting. Precision blades in the cutter uniformly slice the marked ends of the corn cobs. The cobs move smoothly through the equipment. After cutting, the remnants fall into a rotating drum. The drum's tumbling motion causes the kernels to collide with each other and with the drum's inner walls, effectively removing loose husks and debris. This tumbling action also helps the cobs maintain smooth movement on the conveyor, preventing pile-ups or blockages, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Under the laser-integrated system, the corn cobs complete a series of operations on the conveyor belt, including dual-blade rotary cutting and segmented processing. After cutting, sliced corn cobs exit the equipment, moving into the next processing phase. On a rotary distribution table, the sliced corn cobs gradually move to the table's sloping edge. From there, they enter a chute below. The chute, specially designed, evenly distributes the corn cobs into the next processing steps. In another corn cob processing method, freshly harvested corn cobs are neatly arranged on a conveyor belt, transported to a husking machine. Inside the husking machine, the corn cobs pass through a series of rotating brushes, contacting the corn husks. The brushes effectively grab and peel off the husks. The removed husks are conveyed via a waste conveyor to a designated collection bin for proper waste disposal. The cleaned corn cobs are then transferred to a large storage container as an intermediate buffer, bridging subsequent processing stages. Trained workers meticulously inspect the corn cobs, retrieved from the storage container, ensuring no foreign objects or contaminants remain. The corn cobs are then fed into a rotary drum washing machine. This equipment uses high-pressure water sprays for systematic cleaning of the corn cobs. After cleaning, the corn cobs are sent to a water storage drum, a slow-rotating cylinder capable of gently tumbling to drain excess moisture from the corn cobs. The water-stored corn cobs are fed into an automatic cutter, precisely cutting off both ends of the corn cobs. Then, they are neatly arranged into large containers with moisture-proof layers, or packaged as palletized packaging forms for further processing. In another processing method, corn cobs from a large storage container are transported via an integrated conveying system to a threshing machine. The industrial threshing machine is equipped with specially designed blades, efficiently separating the corn kernels from the cobs. The separated kernels slide through a chute into designated collection bins. From there, they are loaded onto trucks via another conveyor for transport. At the corn milling factory, corn kernels are unloaded from trucks into a designated receiving area, then conveyed to large hoppers. The corn kernels are then fed into a drum tumbling machine. The machine's rotating drum processes the kernels through lifting and dropping actions. Next, the kernels are sent to an air classifier to effectively separate lighter materials, like dust and small debris, from the heavier corn kernels. The separated kernels enter a multi-stage corn milling process. This complex process involves a series of specialized machines for producing corn grits and the final refined corn flour. The milled corn flour is transferred to large storage bins for storage. While the germ byproducts are collected separately for use in animal feed or oil extraction. In another corn processing method, corn kernels directly enter the milling stage to enhance operational efficiency. This complex process uses specialized equipment to remove impurities, effectively separating the germ and endosperm, and uniformly milling the corn kernels into a fine powder, classified by particle size and then packaged. The final product of corn flour is typically packaged in moisture-proof gray bags, accurately weighed and neatly stacked on pallets. transported to designated storage facilities or distribution points. The semi-automated corn flake production line requires more manual intervention. The production process starts with cleaning and conditioning the corn kernels. Finally, feeding the kernels into a rotary cooker. Heating them with added water and flavoring agents. The corn kernels then enter a ground container, manually shoveled into a rotary washing machine, washed by water spray devices. The corn kernels are then evenly spread on trays for cooling. Then, sent to a basic pressing roller to press them into the familiar flat corn flake shape. After air drying, the corn flakes are sent to a batch baking unit for baking. After baking, the corn flakes are sent to a rotary cooling drum for cooling and manually visually inspected to ensure quality standards. Finally, manually packaged and sealed. In highly specialized corn flake production plants, corn kernels from large storage units are transported to the processing area via automated conveyors. The corn kernels are uniformly steamed in automated pressure cookers and in a rotary washing machine washed with automatic water sprays. After the corn kernels cool, they are air-cooled and sent to high-precision pressing rollers via an air cooling conveyor. Pressed into uniform corn flakes and sent to a continuous dryer, equipped with a humidity control system, ensuring the corn flakes reach the ideal moisture content. Then, the corn flakes are baked in a continuous baking oven, giving them a crispy texture and an appealing golden hue. The quality of the corn flakes is detected by automated optical scanners, ensuring consistency and removing defective products. In the production process, corn sugar is added, spices and coloring, also making colorful ring-shaped cereals. These mixtures are extruded into ring shapes and enter subsequent processes for packaging. After air cooling, the baked corn flakes are transferred to automatic packaging. Precision multi-head weighing instruments accurately measure the portion for each bag. After bagging, the packages are sent to a hot air station. Automatic hot air devices seal each package, ensuring product freshness and preventing contamination. The packages are then placed into cardboard boxes, transported via conveyor belts to automatic stacking equipment, arranged on pallets in a specific stacking pattern. to ensure transportation stability. Then, these packaged products are sent to stores via transport trucks, sent to stores, displayed on shelves for consumers to purchase and enjoy. This final step ensures the product is delivered to the consumer's table in optimal condition, providing a convenient and delicious option for breakfasts worldwide.